How to enable T-Mobile international data roaming. Now, there are two things for you to be able to check if your phone is compatible with data roaming or what subscription you have on T-Mobile. So first things first is open up your T-Mobile account and double check if you have this kind of feature one added to your subscription, which is going to be the international roaming services. Now, next thing to do is check if your phone is compatible to use a data roaming services or international roaming services. Now head over to your phone settings, and then on the search box, just simply type in cellular, head out to mobile networks, and then at the very bottom part of your phone, you should be able to see data roaming under other settings. Now, as you can see, my international roaming is always on, and I have this feature on my phone. So those are the things that you need to check for you to be able to enable T-Mobile international data roaming.